Hey guys, wanted to show you the new fish barrier fence that I built for my spillway. We've been having a lot of rain out here, and the culvert, it's doing its job, but it's just not doing it fast enough, so my emergency spillway has been flowing over quite a bit. And I didn't want to lose any fish, so I went out and bought some 4-foot posts and some chicken wire and put it down on the ground and strapped it to the post, and it's been working so far. I've seen it where this part of the spillway has actually gotten almost a foot deep with water coming over it, and so I put this here to hopefully keep the bluegill and the catfish in the pond. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Alright guys? Alright, bye.